Sorry. Again, at the count of 3, bottoms up. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Please drink your beer. Now you have to pull it off, okay? So extend your leg, May, and dong, am I correct? Dong, doy. And putting the garter into the leg of May. Okay. Okay, high enough, very nice. Okay. You watch, you guys. You have to. Okay, your turn. Your turn. Okay, right. Aim for the chick of May. There you have it, friends. Dawn and May. Thank you so much. Please join us here, men.
Noel, Irene, today you begin your life together. Lifelong love. That's what you promise our Lord. And you can have a lifelong love if you praise our Lord in your midst always.
Father of Noel, for a few words. Palakpakan po natin si Mr. Vicente Chua.
Good evening, kaya kayo na po. Pasalamatan kayo po yung Ginoo, pit kalubar ng katao po Maya po oras. Pitipon-tipon, katao po. King Graciana at King Bendisyon na paraging pamisang netong dari Noel, ang buwayay rin at King Sacramento na nalikasan. I take this opportunity to para pasalamatan kay Paring Bert, Maring Glo, mo rin kayang buong pamilya, King Papananggap da, kang Noel, maswerte kayo po Noel, dinakit sa po itong mag-anaka, malago at madaming maging panabilin kayo anapin baru yo hindi pagpuntalan nyo meron niyang biya tagasawa meron niyang biya masakit talagang masakit kaya hanapin nandun for better or worse, in richer or in poorer, in sickness and in health till death.
Palakpakan po natin si Daddy Bird.
Mayo magiging ko na sinili kasi tabi sa mga ini. Ito na ini, nasawa ko maluto yung mga katunan na iwarin mo lang ko. Ako naman naliti. Masaya ako. Ito na lang dagdag anak na lalaki. May anak yung anak na babae. So, Noel, welcome to the family. Bakit hindi ko mo ng Noel makamiro na rin may iba yun, kaya na masyadong parang naman kung nakikari, pamilya yung magyagay dito. Kasi yung galing ko ng makikiro. Hindi ko masaya mo masaya. Siguro, ano reason sa meron ba ito yung asawa kong niyari? This is our 48 years naging very light mo naman yung gano'n ng pamilya, kaya masyadong makaserious. Pero they will do their best to make a success of their union. Kung nagtatanggal ito, at bilang pa, betang panginang uweto at utas na, imuling gloria, nagiyabunan kong mga tupaglangan. Kaya ka rin. Continue ko niya mo 2 years from now. Thank you very much. Good night and
love for the past 30 so years. Irene happens to be the bride. It's Irene's birthday on March 25. So let us all sing a happy birthday song for the bride, please. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy messages of the couple. So may I turn over the floor to Dr. Noel Shua.
Good evening. In behalf of my wife, I'd like to thank you all. Maraming salamat po sa mga attend ng memorable occasion ng meeting. This would not been so memorable and more lasting kung wala po kayo. Sa mga nanggaling po sa mga malalayong lugar, maraming salamat po for gracing the event. Thank you po for sharing this wonderful time and this very momentous occasion. You know very much that even before I told you so many times that I love you, and I will always be there.
Thank you very much. Please clap your hands for our groom, Dr. Noel Shua. And now, ladies and gentlemen, I have the privilege to introduce to everybody the prettiest lady tonight. Of course, nobody will protest with what I said. So it's official. You are now Mrs. Irene Reyes Shua.
Good evening po sa lahat. Maraming salamat po sa parents namin, sa mga support nila. Lalo na din sa mga kapatid namin na tumulong na maging successful yung ceremony na to. And then, nagpapathank you din ako dun sa mga tao nanggaling po ng Baguio, Manila, and umuwi from different countries para lang makadalo dito sa kapatid. Maraming salamat po pati sa lahat ng staff and coordinators from video to lahat ng suppliers, cake, as in talagang ang laking tulong nila, ang laking discount na kuha namin. So thank you so much. Thank you for coming. Noel. Siguro this is really chapter na sa buhay natin mag-start tayo. There will be another occasion. Sabi ko nga kay Papa, I will respect you more, I will love you more. And I commit myself.
Here's a joy from the bride. What about a big hand for the lovely couple, Noel and Irene Shua? Palakpakan po natin ulit. Irene, Noel, we've heard this how many times already during the night. One more time, please. Clinking of glasses to cap the program.